welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're just gonna learn how to create a core text effect in Canva. Well, I'm gonna show you two different ways to do it. One is pretty much easy and one will take a little bit of efforts. So let's dive into it. So let's just get started with our hack number one. So our hack number one is pretty easy. First of all, just set the size for the page and create new design. And after your page has been opened, so first of all, it's pretty easy. Just go in the elements column, search for gold letter, go in the graphics, and just pick up any font you love or is your desire. Like I like this one, it's more convenient, more bold and more contrast. So just gonna like view more from this creator. And it will show you tons of others projects he made. Just search over here for gold letter. Here are all the whole letters. If you want specifically, just like I'm just gonna like search for like this, and it's gonna give me specifically, so it's more like fast way. I'm just gonna like keep searching for these. Like this. After my all my fonts have been placed in my template, now I'm just gonna align them. I'm like gonna align them like this with equal distance. And how will you know the distance? By these smart guides which are showing you like 63 degree distance and like that. So I'm just gonna like make them a very much a little small and make them into the center like this. So the nice, and then I'm just gonna like go back over here, search from here like a black background. Okay, like this. Go in the photos panel, and I will like just take this one right here, and I'm right click on it, set image as background like this. And I'm just gonna like search for light. Like this is only for making a little bit good contrast. And I'm just gonna like put this light like this. It's like just to create a little bit good impact. And I'm just gonna like a light shadow. Something like this. Just like gonna adjust it like accordingly. And I just wanted to decrease a little bit of transparency, breathing out a little bit too much like an effect. So I guess my hack number one is pretty much nice. So now let's move on to the hack number two. For hack number two, I'm just like gonna duplicate because I want the same background as this. And I'm just gonna delete all of this and let's get started. Now you're gonna go in the elements and like I'm just gonna like search for alphabets. You're gonna go like you're gonna first be on all. Just don't forget to click on the frames. And I'm just gonna search for alphabet G, like capital G, like this. And I'm gonna pick this one right here. And then I'm gonna search for alphabet O. And then I pick the same like this one. Now alphabet L, like this. And now alphabet D, just this one. So these all are the same font style. Now all you do is that now like I'm just gonna lock these so that they don't interrupt while I'm editing them. Then I'm gonna select them and I'm just gonna bring them a little bit to center. And now you're gonna go and you're just gonna search for gold over here, like plain gold. Click on the photos and just pick a sharp little gold effect the way you want. Like I just pretty much search for gold gradient and I'm just gonna pick this one right here. I'm just gonna drop it over here like this. I'm just gonna like rotate it like this. But I want it like to be a little bit horizontal like this. You can adjust the way you want. And like this, I'm just gonna first of all make another duplicate of this. And I'm gonna paste this one right here. And like this, you're just gonna make another duplicate. So I'm pretty much done. Now, what else you can do? I'm just like exploring this thing. You can even add a little bit like a stroke and change its color to like somewhat like a golden color. I'm just gonna pick a color like this one, or maybe a light color, like someone like this. Yeah, not bad. Now, what you can do is that you can even copy style. Like I'm gonna click on copy style, and like this, you can just like copy on each of them. Copy style, and I'm just gonna do the same again and again. Like this, they all have the same aspect, like this. So I hope you loved this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to share to your friends. Bye bye for more hacks like these. So bye bye.